Good morning. It's Wednesday, the 2nd of September, and today we're going to Harrogate to stay at the Crown Hotel for 4 nights. We're setting off about lunchtime so that we arrive for 3 o'clock. I'm having cornflakes for breakfast, half a cup of semi-skimmed milk, it's not a lot. I used most of the grapes, it looks about right. But first, 2 raspberry flavoured cholesterol reducing yoghurt drinks. We're having toast with our second cup of tea in the morning. Christine's having lime marmalade on one and Lurpak lighter on the other. Oh, there she is. On my toast, I'm having Christine's old marmalade, the dark one, on one, and a strawberry seedless jam on the other. Oh, and there's mine. My tea's all set. I think I'll just wash up this morning's plates and put that lot away. And there we are. Christine's done the kitchen bin. I'll empty the recycle because I need to also disconnect the car. Yeah, the car says 100%, 233 miles. That's without touching any resets or anything. The car's on charge. There's only CCS here. There's supposed to be a 43 kilowatt, so that must be out of date. And we're going for lunch. Over to the Starbucks. Yeah, we're at the Starbucks for our lunch now, and Christine's got a 5-cheese toasty, and I've got a what cheese is it? Brie, wasn't it?
Yeah, brie and something else.
And all sorts of things in there. Was it a focaccia or a ciabatta?
It's focaccia.
I thought it was, plus it's got bits in the top, yay! They've given us these really fancy iced cups as well for our water. And we've got it's a salted caramel Danish swirl, I think it was.
Yeah.
The car is 100%, well it says it's fully charged in 10 minutes. That was our charger. We finished our session, so it now shows available. We're in the room, but we're parked in a reserved car park, so I've got to go and shift the car into a pay and display, which is £1 cheaper. And then in the morning, 11 o'clock, we can get a space possibly when other people will come out. It was a bit of a trek from the lift, but I'll find it. There's a rotary door, but there's also 2 side doors. Right, let's go and move the car. That's the one. 24 hours, £11. And use contactless. I could have paid less to get some time in the morning, but if we don't get the 11 o'clock, we've got till 4 o'clock tomorrow. So we're going to try and swap to 11 o'clock when somebody comes out of the hotel. My other glasses I thought were in the car. Christine's got them in an handbag. Interesting display here. Looks like rhubarb, I don't think it will be. And there's the facade of the Crown. Going in now and get a cup of tea and coffee. We've got a chair over in the corner, a TV up on the wall, and a chair and desk down there with one socket behind. There's the kettle with a socket there, and Christine found a socket under this side here. That's it, 3 in the room. So it's wardrobe in that corner, double bed, and the bathroom is round that side.
This is the lift foyer, and it's got a rather nice looking chandelier.
Will you?
We've come into Victoria Gardens, and they've got this lovely arrangement here. And this one over here. And lots of lovely trees. Still grey skyline, but it's very pleasant. There's some very nice displays on the way to the restaurant. A load of artwork, jewellery, lots of teddies, lions, pandas, yeah. This is my chilled avocado soup, and Christine's will be coming very shortly. Christine has a chicken liver pate. Are you ready for that one, darling? And Christine's got haddock and chips with mushy peas and tartar sauce. I've got chicken breast, mashed potato, and something puree.